Hello. I just wanted to pause and see if you could hear the birds from my window. I don't know about yourself, but I encourage you to open your windows. You'll be amazed at the beauty that nature has to give you. Free music to our ears, but you can only enjoy that and savor it only if you take the time to pause and be present enough to enjoy the silence and the birds singing. I hope you can hear it. If you can't hear it from my window, I think you can. Open your window and you'll hear it from yours. Enjoy nature. Breathe it in. See it, enjoy it through your sight, and also enjoy it through your hearing. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy God's beauty. It's out there for you to enjoy, but you will have to pause. Thank you for tuning in.